This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Questions, your most underrated leadership tool. How to guide behavior and build trust without sounding bossy. During a recent coaching session, a client asked me how to get people to perform their tasks correctly without being seen as a micromanager. My response can help anyone seeking team cooperation and accountability. I asked him, ever watch a courtroom drama? Of course, he replied. Who's in control? The lawyer, he asked. Exactly, because the lawyer asked the questions. Questions guide answers. They shape conversations and they give you control without confrontation. Let's say a team member repeatedly skips a step she's been trained on. You could scold her, or you could ask, how could you have done this better? That one question transforms a problem into a solution. It invites engagement, not defensiveness. In private, follow up with, if I suggest something, give it the same consideration you'd want from me. But if I tell you to do something, I expect it to be done. This approach builds respect by reinforcing leadership authority without aggression. In sales, questions are just as powerful. How will this product make your life easier? And can you see yourself using this to earn more or work faster? The best leaders and communicators ask their way to influence. They lead by listening and by directing. Now for today's Morning Minute Challenge. Think of a recent unproductive conversation with a team member or a client. What questions could have guided them toward a better result? Share it with me, and I'll help you refine it using the right questions. Questions, your most underrated leadership tool, and that is today's Morning Minute.